Hello my viewers, welcome once more to my channel. Today we are going to look at solution of simultaneous equations by elimination method, and I'm going to explain this one with an example. So example, there we are told to solve for x, y and k using elimination method. So guys, given three equations with three unknowns, how do we solve this using elimination method? The first thing, I'll have this one, meaning that I'm going to pick equation 1 and equation 2 and then solve them by elimination. And then after that, I'll pick equation 2 and equation 3 and still solve them using elimination method. Then let us start looking at how we solve that. Let me pick the first two equations. I have them here. So I have x plus y plus k is equals to 4. I have 2x minus 3y plus 4k is equals to 33. So now you have to ask yourselves, out of the three variables, they are known variables, which one can you eliminate? Let me eliminate the x. And then for us to eliminate x, we are supposed to have these coefficients of x being the same. The coefficients of x must be the same, and if they are not the same, then for me to make them the same, I'm going to multiply the upper equation by 2. So I'll have to multiply the upper equation by 2, then the lower one by 1. And then when I multiply them, I'll have 2 times x is 2x, 2 times y, 2y, then plus 2k is equals to 8. Then I have the other equation, this one here. Then for me to eliminate x, for us to eliminate x, we are going to subtract the two equations. For us to eliminate x, let us subtract the two equations. I'll have 2x minus 2x, it will give me a 0. Then 2y minus negative y, the negative becomes positive, so I'll have 5y. Then 2k minus 4k will give me minus 2k is equals to 8 minus 3 gives me negative 25. And therefore we can have 5y minus 2k is equals to 25 as our first equation. And then after that, now we are going to pick the second and the last equation, this and these equations. Then we still solve them by elimination. So I'll have 2x minus 3y plus 4k is equals to that 3. 3x minus 2y minus 2k is equals to 2. Still, we are going to eliminate x. I'm going to eliminate x. So, then for us to eliminate 2x, these coefficients here and these coefficients must be the same. And if they are not the same, like in our case, then we are going to multiply the upper equation by 3, then the lower equation by 2, so that they become the same. So let us multiply them. 2 times 3 is 6x, minus 3 times 9 times 3 is negative 9y. 4 times 3 is plus 12, is plus 12k. 12k is equals to that 3 times 3 is 99. Then 3 times 2, 6x minus 4y minus 4k is equals to 4. That's what we have. We have made the coefficients of x to be the same. And then, how do we make these two equations? How do we subtract these two equations? I'm going to put a minus there. Let us subtract them. So I have 6x minus 6x will become a 0. Then minus 9 minus 4 will give me minus 5y. Then 12 minus negative 4 12 minus negative 4 will give me plus 16k is equals to negative 99 minus 4, that is 95. Let me have this one as equation 2. So guys, we have formed two equations now with two unknowns. So we're going to pick the first equation and the second equation, then we still solve them by elimination. We're going to have the first equation and the second equation, then we still solve them using elimination. So our first equation was 5y minus 2k is equals to negative 25. And our second equation was minus 5y plus 16k is equals to 95. Therefore, my viewers, for us to still solve this one by elimination, we are going to eliminate one of the unknowns. In this case, it is easy when we eliminate y. Let us eliminate y. So for me to eliminate this y, I will add the two equations. So I'll get 5y minus 5y. I'll have 5 plus minus 5. This will give me a 0. So this one is 0 here. Then from there, I'll have minus 2 plus 16. This will give me 14. So here I'll have plus 14 plus 14k. Plus 14k is equals to minus 25 plus 95 will give us 70, like that. And therefore, now we've remained with 14k is equals to 70. Now for us to get this k, we are going to divide both sides by 70. So we have 14k is equals to 70. For us to get k, let us divide both sides by 14. Then our k becomes 5. And then after getting our k as 5, guys, we can replace the value of 5 in the first equation for us to get now this k, or we can replace it in the second equation where you have k, you put 5, so that we get what? The unknown value of y. Let us replace them. Let us replace in our first equation. So where we have k, we put 5. I'll have 5y minus 2, then I put 5 is equals to minus 25. So 5y minus 10 is equals to minus 25. Now, for us to get the value of y, we're going to take all other parameters to the other side. Then let us take this 10 to the other side. This side it is negative. When it crosses to the other side, then it becomes a plus. So we will have 5y is equals to minus 25 plus 10. Then we know that minus 25 plus 10 is minus 15. So our y becomes minus 15 all over 5, which is the same as 3. So that becomes the value of our 3. So the value of y, we divide both sides by 5. So y is equals to minus 15 all over 5. Then by 5, 1 by 5, 3. So our y becomes negative 3. Our y becomes minus 3. Now after having our k, the value of k and the value of y, then we can replace the two values in either equation 1, equation 2, or equation 3 for us to get the value of x. So you can either replace in the first equation where you have k, you put 5, and where you have y, you put negative 3. This will give you the value of what? The value of this x. So let us replace in the first equation, I will have x plus y, and y is minus 3. Y is minus 3. Then plus k, and k is 5, is equals to 4. Is equals to 4. Then, how do we get the unknown value of x? The same way, we are going to take all other parameters to the other side. So we will have x is equals to 4. This 3 is minus. When it crosses to the other side, I'll have plus 3. Then this 5 is positive. The other side it becomes minus 5. So our x will be equals to 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. So our value of x is what? Is 2. And therefore, my learners, the value of x is equals to 2. The value of y is equals to minus 3. Then the value of k is equals to 5. That's how we solve any equation using elimination method.